Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Yury Safronau and today we're diving deep into TopFX, a broker that's been making waves in the Forex world. I've been trading for a while now and I've seen my fair share of brokers, but TopFX definitely caught my eye. They've got a massive selection of instruments, account types for everyone from newbies to pros, and a reputation for speed and efficiency. But is TopFX all hype, or is it the real deal? Let's find out. TopFX has been around since 2010, starting as a liquidity provider before becoming a full-fledged broker. They offer a wide range of assets including Forex, CFDs, crypto, and even ETFs. They've got both MT4 and cTrader platforms, which is a big plus, and they use something called smart order routing to get you the best possible prices. Keep in mind that leverage varies depending on which entity you are trading with. CySEC regulated accounts have maximum leverage of 1 to 30, while FSA regulated accounts go to up to 1000. Please note that the FSA regulated entity is not available for residents of the EU. Next, let's start with the instruments. TopFX offers a wide variety of instruments, from major, minor, and exotic currency pairs to shares of major companies, popular indexes, and commodities like gold and oil. They even offer CFDs on ETFs and a decent selection of cryptocurrencies. This gives you tons of flexibility to diversify your portfolio. Note that all financial products available on TopFX are traded as CFDs. Next up, account types. TopFX has several options. Zero account is perfect for beginners with low minimum deposit and commission-free trading. Raw account, ideal for scalpers and day traders who need tight spreads and low commissions. VIP account is designed for high-volume traders with exclusive perks and ultra-low spreads. Now, let's talk about platforms. TopFX offers both MT4 and cTrader. MT4 is the industry standard, user-friendly and reliable, but cTrader offers more advanced charting tools, in-depth analysis features, and allows algorithmic trading with C-Algo. Plus, there are the one-click trading and market depth features. One of the coolest things about TopFX is their cTrader copy trading. This lets you automatically copy the trades of traders of your choice. It's a great way to learn without having to be glued to the charts 24/7. The cTrader app is super easy to use. You can browse strategies, check their performance, and start copying with a few taps. Just remember to do your research and choose strategies that match your risk tolerance. Some of the top performance strategies include Immortal Growth Strategy. With an impressive 489,000% ROI, this one is a long-term winner. Regal version 2 strategy, known for its high win rate and significant pip gains. It's another high performer with over 357,000% ROI. Night strategy, a more balanced approach with consistent returns. Remember that past performance is not indicative for future returns. Trading always involves risks, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Regulation is crucial when choosing a broker, and TopFX has you covered. TopFX Limited is regulated by CySEC, a top-tier regulator in the EU. This provides strong investor protection, including negative balance protection and access to the Investor Compensation Fund. TopFX Global Limited is regulated by the FSA in Seychelles, which offers more flexibility, but less investor protection. Now let's talk about fees. TopFX is known for its competitive pricing. You can find spreads as low as 0 pips on major currency pairs, and their commissions are lower than many other brokers. They also offer transparent pricing for other instruments like stocks and indexes. And if you ever run into any issues, their customer support is top-notch. They are available 24/5 and always ready to help. So is TopFX right for you? Overall, TopFX is a reliable and reputable broker with a lot to offer. They have a wide range of instruments, competitive pricing, and excellent customer support. If you're looking for a broker that combines affordability, reliability, and a diverse range of trading options, TopFX is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Forex reviews and trading tips. And be sure to check out the links in the description below for exclusive offers from TopFX. Thanks for watching and happy trading!